The governors of Southeast, and I want the press to go back and check, had banned not only open grazing, we had also banned the movement of cows by foot into Southeast. We had done that. In each of the 5 states of Southeast, we are managing ourselves very well. We had also stopped the movement of cows across communities. What our people must know is that security is not, political. What is demanded of the leaders is to put up a program that will protect their people and also foster national unity. And this is what we are doing. There is a new dimension that is taking place in Southeast, which is very dangerous. And it is when the communities use the name of IPOB, they video it and then upload it to the social media and say it is IPOB that is burning the houses of herdsmen, that is IPOB that is killing the cows of herdsmen. It is not IPOB. It's the communities that are doing it. And this is very dangerous for the Igbo man. I'm talking to us as leaders to go and then talk to our people to know that this is the kind of thing that can bring civil war. Even when you are not killing any herdsman, you are shouting that you are killing herdsmen. When the herdsmen relocate to another location, you go and take charge and say you chase the herdsmen away. This is very dangerous. And I would like our people to please speak out. Let us separate politics, wickedness, envy, and jealousy from the safety of lives and properties of our people, both in Southeast and also at the national level. This is very important. Some of the very terrible elements that are doing this do not know the implication of that. You say you're killing herdsmen, you're killing their cows, when you're not. How do you retrieve that information that would have gone viral to other regions? So we must speak out. We must speak out. We are living in a very dangerous time. If the leaders of this country can all come together in patriotism, forget our differences, forget our selfishness, forget our political interest, and know that it's He that is alive, we seek for political office, and that every man and woman runs the destiny of his or her life. Without patriotism to our nation, Nigeria, it is difficult to have a peaceful time. So I appeal to you to please speak out on behalf of our people.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.